Derivation of path of equation, that is equation of trajectory. So this is projection. So draw the x-axis and y-axis. Draw the tangent to this projection, that is u, it is velocity, and angle with respect to horizontal, it is alpha. So resolve this one, it is in two directions. One it is u cos alpha, and y-axis it will be u sin alpha, because angle with respect to horizontal, so that's on x-axis it will be u cos alpha, on y-axis it will be u sin alpha. Okay, just consider point P in coordinates x and y. So this one is point P for y coordinate and x coordinate. Okay, consider a projectile projected from this one, it is point A, and land at point B. From point A with velocity of projection u and angle of projection alpha. Okay, so now let point P reached in time t1. Okay, let point P reached in time t1. Consider motion from A to P. This one it is motion, under motion. Okay, so x is equal to, it is here. Just consider x motion from A to P, that is under motion. Okay, so x is equal to, it is velocity into time. So velocity in x direction, it is u cos alpha into time, it is t1. Okay, so t1 is equal to x divided by u cos alpha. Okay, then consider y motion from A to P, motion under gravity. Okay, so Sy is equal to uy t1 minus 1/2 gt square. Okay, this one it is motion under gravity. Okay, so Sy it is here y with respect to point. Now Sy it is y. Then uy it is u sin alpha. Then t1 it is x divided by u cos alpha. Then minus 1/2 g t1 square, it is x square divided by u square cos square alpha. Okay, so here u it will be get cancelled. Then y is equal to, write down, so sin alpha divided by cos alpha, it is tan alpha. This one it is x tan alpha. Then minus gx square divided by 2 u square cos square alpha. This one it is equation, final equation. Okay,